All right, I've spent some time trying to calibrate this thing. I've built myself a little kind of pen holder there. So some of the calibrations I've done. I've just done manual machine control here, like I saw in my last video, and I've got those adjusted for 1 centimeter anyway. I've messed around in Maker Cam trying to get this thing to draw a shape and figure out all the settings and stuff. So I think this one is finally it. So I'm going to go ahead and I've got it loaded up here. We'll see. Oh yeah. Holy shit, it's working. So what it's drawing here is this little pattern I've made. It's just a bunch of concentric circles. You know, they're exactly 1 centimeter apart. Then the squares are another 1 centimeter. I'll measure that just to kind of test the calibration. I've got my calipers and I'll see how far apart the circles are. You can see it's a little bit sloppy. Well, it's actually very, very sloppy. This machine is not industrial, obviously. So when it moves, the pen kind of goes back and forth as it drags. But yeah, I'm still pretty happy with this. There's lots of room for improvement, and I can kind of fix up the loose parts and make this thing better. You can hear this one clicking down here. He's not doing too good. I've got the micro stepping set to 1/16 or 1/8, which means it breaks up each step into 1/8 or 8 or 16 different micro steps. What that actually does though is it reduces the torque by a lot. At 1/16, you're actually only about 7% of the torque that the motor would have just doing full step. So I've actually got this geared down. You can see the motor has a small cog on it, which goes up to the big cog, which drives that belt. Same thing on this one. I've got it geared down a little bit here too. So I think I can get away with actually going with full steps or even half steps. Obviously accuracy is not a huge deal for me here since the machine is so sloppy already. But that might give me just, I don't know, a bit smoother operation. It's going to do 7 circles, I believe, and then 3 squares. So it'll be doing one more circle after this. You can see my faceplate I built on there. That pen is mounted in that slide. It's kind of just fixed on there with those screws jammed in there. Oh. As you can see, I've got the Z-axis moving a lot faster than it was before. But yeah, this slides up and down in these black slots. You kind of see it's in there. The elastic band keeps the tension on the pen. This will be the last circle. Those already look too small to me. Yeah, it's about 5. Oh, well, no, that makes sense because the circles are incrementally 1 centimeter bigger. So it'd only be half a centimeter from circle to circle here. All right, should we go into the square now? Yeah, that's a lot smoother. That x-axis is nice. You can hear the Y just giving her like a 2-stroke. Oh yeah. That's what I want to see there. It's exactly on with the other circle. That shows me that at least it holds well. And I did some calibration tests before. It'll return to the exact same spot over and over and over again. Anyway, that's about it. One more square and it'll be finished. That's it. Thanks for watching.